Secure outdoor objects. Wind advisory remains in effect from 7 a.m. /6 p.m. Central Standard Time / this morning to 7 p.m. /6 p.m. Central Standard Time / this evening.
Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region.
What? Southwest winds 20 to 30 miles an hour with gusts at 45
severe weather today.
miles an hour possible.
High pressure will then build into the region
Southern
through the
Indiana
day
and
on
central
Tuesday.
Kentucky.
And
Wind from 7 a.m. /6 a.m. Central Standard Time / 7 p.m. /6 p.m. Central Standard Time /Monday. Gusty winds could all around unsecured.
the National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 47, effective until 6 p.m. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch effective
the
until
following
6
counties:
p.m.
Ripley,
This watch includes the following counties
a
in
tornado
Indiana:
watch means the conditions are
Dearborn,
favorable for the
Fayette,
development of
Franklin,
severe weather,
Ohio,
including
Ripley,
tornadoes,
Switzerland, and
large
Union,
hail,
and the following
winds
counties in Kentucky:
close to the watch area.
Boone, Campbell,
While
and Kenton,
severe weather
and the
may not
following
be
counties
imminent,
in
persons
Ohio:
should remain alert for
Brown,
rapidly changing
Butler,
weather
Claremont,
conditions
Clinton,
and listen to
Hamilton,
later
Highland,
statements
and Warren.
possible warnings.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes.
For the latest severe weather information
in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.